I welcome you all as we gather for a momentous occasion, the formal installation of the new president of St. Paul's School of Professional Studies. From this day onward, the torch is officially yours. Carry it with pride, with humility, and with invariable faith, and know that though I step aside, I will always be here, not as your president, but as your cheerleader and your friend.
31 years ago, Ma'am Conrita Tudtud founded this institution. 31 years after, by the gracious hand of the Almighty, we're installing her second daughter, now President Eunice Tudtud Pagatpa, to take the reign of leadership to continue her legacy.
She has witnessed the school's challenges and triumphs through the years. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor and privilege to introduce to you all the third president of St. Paul's School of Professional Studies, Mrs. Eunice Tudtud Pagatpa.
Today, we come together to mark a significant milestone, the 31st anniversary of St. Paul's School of Professional Studies. This is both a moment of celebration and a call to action, a time to reflect on how far we've come, to recommit ourselves to the journey ahead. Founded and conceived by my late mother, Dean Conrita Tudtud, the visionary founder and originator. Her dream was simple yet profound: establish a school that would shape students into not just professionals, but principled leaders, agents of change, leaders with conviction, leaders with heart. Her legacy lives on in every classroom, in every graduate, and all of us who continue to serve this institution with faith, integrity, and vision. As your new school president and chairman of the Board of Trustees, I am deeply humbled by the trust you have placed in me. I pledge to lead with integrity, compassion, and a clear and unwavering commitment to our shared vision. Let us step into this new chapter, united in purpose, with open minds and courageous hearts. Hail SPSPS.
The Years in Service Awards of St. Paul's School of Professional Studies is a tribute to the unwavering commitment, diligence, and loyalty of its valued workforce. Through this annual tradition, the SPSPS expresses its deepest gratitude to those whose service has become an integral part of its growth, resilience, and enduring success.
Celebrating 30 years in SPSPS is a moment of deep gratitude. This award, this 30 years in service award, isn't just a number. It's a testament of faithfulness, to showing up, to giving your best, not for the applause, but for the quiet satisfaction that you made a difference, no matter how big or small. Thank you for this honor. May we all continue to serve with passion and for the continued success of our beloved institution.